Today, you are going to learn how to play this fun roll, write, and read game. Yes, you are getting a free sample so that you can use it with your students tomorrow. If you're ready, give me a thumbs up and we will get started. Here we go. Hey, my name is Angie, and if you know me, you know that I love games for the classroom, independent games that kids can stay busy learning while you do other teachery things. Today, we are doing a fun dice and write and read game. I think you're going to love it. Let's go over and find out how to play. Here it is right here, and it is called Happy Apple. And yes, there is a free sample. Grab it. There is a link down below, simple directions on how to get it. And when you do get it, make sure that you see this page because there are some more samples and other ways to get more games like this, the early finisher solution. This will be part of it, and you will get the full, all the vowels. Okay, so this game, the first thing you're going to need to do is put it in a page protector because all of these games are made to be used again and again and again. This is part of the early finisher solution, and this goes in their lip binder if you have the full package. There's so many games and tips on how to organize this to keep your students busy learning, like in stations or independent time. But today we're concentrating on Happy Apple. It is so simple. If you see this QR code, there are directions in the printable, but instead of cluttering up your game board with directions that kindergartners and first graders cannot read anyway, simple. Or if you have students who are at home who need to play a game, parents can watch the video, teach their student, and be done. And again, these are made to be independent. So teach them once, play it with them once, they are good to go again and again and again. And because this is kind of a random game, no two games are ever going to be the same. It's pretty simple. Page protector, dry erase marker, dice, printable. You're done prepping. Roll the dice. Number 4, we're in this column. Now, I need to use an A. And after you get done talking to your students, we're doing CVC words. Now, because it is an A, they automatically have to write an A in this middle blank. You would think, well, Angie, why didn't you just print that for them? No, they need to write an A so that they understand consonant, vowel, consonant. Now, if they cannot simply think of a letter that would go here, let's see, would A go here? No. Would B go here? Let's find out. Is that a real word? Ban. Oh, yes, it is. Maybe ban was already used. ABC, can. ABC, D, Dan. Oh my word. It goes on and on. But if they simply cannot figure out an word, that's where I have this little cheat sheet for them. Now, this paper you can use for a lot of different things other than what we're using it for here. But what I love is that they can look. I'm finding an A and N word. Here it is. R. What sound does R make? And ran. Then they spin again. They get a number 1. They write an A there. What goes there? Well, A, B, C. Oh, C. Cap. All right. They keep playing and playing until they have the whole thing filled in. Number 2. Bag. Remember, if they can't figure it out, here's a whole bunch of words that they can use. And isn't this a great little page? They can use it to maybe practice their short A words and just use it as a practice page for reading. So many uses for that. They fill this up, they play until they're done, and then they read the words and they're done. Now, if they want to do this in a partner setting, which I love partner settings for games. The reason partner settings for games are so great is because, well, I need a different color, is because it helps them to keep on task. When they have a friend, believe it or not, having a friend helps them go on task. All right, so let's say that someone is doing green, someone is doing blue. Blue goes first, and they say bap. No, that's not a word. Cap. Yes, there we go. And then green goes, let's say that they roll 1, the number 1, and they do app, nap. And blue goes again, and oh, wouldn't you know it, they roll a 1 again, and they do sap, and green rolls again, and they get a 1. Oh no, they skip a turn, okay? And so then they keep playing and playing, and they read their words as they go. Number 4. All right, actually that would be blue's turn because green missed their turn because they rolled a 1. They keep playing until it's filled up. Now, if I am green, I am going to read all the blue words. And if I am blue, I am going to read all the green words. All right? And it's up to each person to make sure they are reading it correctly. Then they could count it up. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Who won that round? Well, the person who was using the blue marker. See how that goes? So they can use this as a partner game. They erase and they go again and again and again. The full version, of course, has all of the vowels. And then you can train them once how to play this game, and they can play it over and over and over and over, starting with A or E or I or R, O or U, whichever one you want, and moving their way through each vowel. They can play this A1 how many times? Dozens of times, and then move on to a different vowel. This is one of the games that you are going to love. If you're interested in the early finisher solution with more games like this and the full version of this, check the link below. I think there are 60 some games in it, maybe 80. I don't know, lost track. A lot of games, okay? I hope you liked today's little run through of the game. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Remember, the creator of the universe loves you, and I think you're pretty amazing too. Happy game playing. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.